Hey, I found a fly, and he's not flying, just walking around, and Monty wants to get him, so check it out. Monty, come get the fly. Get the fly. Get him, get him, get him. Get that fly.
Really hard to find. I was amazed to find it in an old freezer cabinet in a shed in South Carolina. There's some other pieces.
Get that fly, dude.
Busted off. There's still a neat piece, but that's something that was probably made
Get him, Monty.
back in 30s or 40s. As a picker, when I come across a piece of pottery, I'm looking at the glazing on it. I'm looking at the design on it. I'm looking at the bottom to see if there's any wear edge to it. This would be like a early mason jar.
Get that fly.
I'm looking for the quality of the piece. I'm looking for any kind of advertising, any kind of design on the piece at all. This piece right here is marked Pennsylvania. It's marked Greensboro, PA, Hamilton, and Jones.
Get that fly. Get it.
It's got one little wingo here, a little chip on the end of it. This one here.
Monty's crazy. He loves flies.
Same time period.
I should say he hates them.
There's no advertising on it. Is this a piece that you consider selling? I like this one. I like the way the handle's got some detail to it. It's really difficult to find any of this salt-based pottery from the 1800s, especially with the cobalt blue design on it, the advertising.
Well,
most of it didn't survive. It was broken. It was chipped. This was an incredible piece in amazing condition. You know, I'd do $100 on it. I mean, if that does anything for you, I think it's pretty cool.
get it, Monty.
Okay.
What's neat about it is that, you know, I discovered it here. And you didn't even know it here.
I did. And it really is beautiful.
It is. It's really cool. I like it a lot. Thank you very much.